Today, we're going to do the last step in our penguin picture. We're going to weave a piece of yarn around the outside to create a border. Start on the back and go through the top hole. Pull it all the way through, but leave a tail. Make sure the yarn doesn't get tangled. So leave a tail sticking out of the top of your picture. Make sure it's a long tail and not too short. Now I'm going to take the other end and I'm going to go through the back. So I'm going to go to the back side. Then I'm going to go to the next hole and I'm going to go forward. See how it's going out the back side. Now I'm going to go in the next one. So this one's going to go in from the back to the front. Oh, it got stuck on the corner. Watch out for that. Now I'm going to go from the front to the back. And it's the opposite, so you just keep doing the opposite. So I'm going to go from the front to the back, and then I'm going to go from the back to the front. Be careful you don't miss any of the holes. From the front to the back, and then from the back to the front. This will give it a nice border around the outside. So from the back to the front, onto the next one, and from the front to the back. Careful of those corners. From the back to the front, from the front to the back, and from the back to the front. One more time. Make sure you're pulling it all the way through from the front to the back, and I'm all done. Now those two pieces right there, I'm going to flip them over and I'm going to tie a knot. So I'm going to crisscross my knot one time. And then I'm going to double knot it. So I'm going to do a second knot. If you're not sure how to tie a knot, just raise your hand and one of us will come and help you. And we will be all finished with our penguin pictures.